In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into the Booksy Biz web platform and access their support resources efficiently. This process is straightforward, but let's make sure you have everything you need to navigate these steps with ease. First things first, the journey begins with logging into Booksy Biz. There's no need for any special tricks here. Just open up your web browser and visit the Booksy Biz website. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. If you've signed in before, this step should be pretty familiar. Just enter your email and password, and you'll be ready to move on to finding the help you need. Now that you've logged in, your next action is to head over to the help or support section. This part is simple. Scroll down to the very bottom of the page. You'll notice there are clearly labeled buttons for either help or support. Go ahead and click on one of those options. This will bring you to the section where you can access the various customer support resources they have available. Once you're in the help or support section, it's all about choosing the contact method that works best for you. They offer a few different options here. If you need a quick response or prefer real-time assistance, then the chat feature is your friend. By selecting the chat option, you can start an instant messaging session with a support agent who is ready to assist you. If you're not in a rush or your issue requires more detailed information, sending an email might be the better route. There's usually a form to fill out, or you can draft a detailed message to the support team. Lastly, if you're more of a self-learner and enjoy figuring things out on your own, check out the FAQ or knowledge base section. It's a great resource where you can search for answers to common issues without having to contact support directly. Before you send your request, especially if you're opting to email, it's crucial to include some key information to make sure your issue is handled efficiently. Make sure you've noted down your account email and your business name. It might seem like a small detail, but it helps the support team verify your details and address your concerns promptly. Finally, it's time to describe the issue. Be as clear and detailed as possible. The more information you provide, the easier it will be for the support team to understand your situation and offer the right solutions. Whether it's a technical glitch, a billing question, or anything else, a complete description can go a long way in speeding up the resolution process. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to logging into Booksy Biz Web and reaching out to their support team. With these steps, you should be well equipped to handle any issues that come up and ensure your business runs smoothly.